ka surjong pi ka thangjangi.
Ka India kala IT ya ka kot pendung kerteng jong ka jingkeng jri sya ka UNESCO banyo ya ka kertan jong ka pateng perthai. Ka Meghalaya kala shim ya ka sinjam ka bakraw ha ka rukam shna jing shna tanrai jong ka banyo ya ka jing ithu ha ka perthai borokoy. Ya ka niga dosir la IT ha ka office rekam jong ka UNESCO ha Paris ha kini kitayo. U Vishal V Sharma Ubadeyu ambassador jong ka India sya UNESCO. Kaniga jing ay kerteng kalong halor ki jingkeng tanrai ba im balarep da ki spasnam da ki jat benrew khasi ba jantia ha kaleng ki than maul nong janta hills bat nongria.
Friends, it is my privilege and honor to share with you the wonderful news that the Jingkring Dri, the Living Root Bridges of Meghalaya, are being nominated by India for the 2026-27 cycle for possible inscription as a World Heritage Site in the 49th Committee meeting in 2027. As India's ambassador and permanent representative to UNESCO, I thank Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, Honorable Culture Minister, Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, officers of the Archaeological Survey of India, of the Ministry of External Affairs, Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad Sangma, Principal Secretary, Shri Frederic Kar Kongor, officers of the Government of Meghalaya, experts, and the local communities guarding this incredible cultural heritage of humanity for this historic nomination. I extend my warm greetings to the people of Meghalaya, and I assure you that we will leave no stone unturned in all our efforts to obtain this well-deserved recognition to the Jingkeng Dri of Meghalaya. I'll speak a line in the Khasi language. Naka liang jong ga kum u ambassador na India Shakha UNESCO ga e kublai kripang eki nongshong shong ka jala Meghalaya bad naka liang jong gi gim priang baro ki lat ki linti ban piono ka katai ka jingi tu ba kripang naka binta ki Jingkring Dri Living Root Bridges Kiba Donha ka Jala Meghalaya Kublai Mithila. Thank you and Bharat Mata ki jai. Thank you.
Thank you, Ambassador. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Haba sim basna ke ga jingkeng jri haba pibian kata ka thit ka to i sim e da u nyai la ne usai mang bse ka thit ka ha po nyai po sai da ka ba la lang da nyai nang ka to ka thit ka yon bat long kum ba ka do jerme nam yon khem ga ni long kum ba yo kan se thit ang ta.
Vì kan thay long tang unong mat tang unong tarsken no yarap hato wong ay kisken kinya penjan hato hajan gi senrang da empat kini ki jingkang kini ki balong kemudian dia baslap dia bahaya ke
We are a grassroots voluntary organization in Meghalaya, so working closely with the local communities in Meghalaya, where we focused on restoration, on rebuild, maintenance, integrate the knowledge about the living root bridges. So we have launched also a living bridge campaign, where we organize tours with students. They come to our bridges and help us in weaving the roots. So these are some of the initiatives that we started.
Marba hantam ngalai basit bateu yang kabang tadi perbawan kita ris perbai subi ya iya kesana dari pa picking ke ding pam ding di da ying picking ah.
Through this project, we see the people coming together to preserve their national heritage. Those bridges which has been collapsed, fell down, broke, It's getting revived now.
Ka Sir Jong Pi, ka Thang Jani.